Everything that nobody ever asked for, I'm not chosen. The Mr. Gun. Alright, y'all, so I just made $68 in less than 15 minutes. Yeah, less than 15 minutes. I made $68 just now. I'm gonna explain how I did that. So, very clear. Gold had to push down, break a structure, traded lower than its recent lower section, and just experience and understanding the market. I know it's time for a retracement, so I actually went in for a buy on a 1 minute time frame, right around here, and look what it did. Shoot, and I got out around here, $68. Let's go. Blessed. Thank you, God. It's really for the views and stuff. Crazy.